I got a hold of the iPhone 10 XX Max, which is, I believe, it's the latest. I'm sorry, it's not the latest, it's the best of the iPhone 10 versions that you can get hold of. It's one of the best, either the best or one of the best, okay? So right now, this phone is not up to the latest. It doesn't have the latest iOS version software updated and installed on it. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, how to update it to the latest version, because you always want to have the most up-to-date version with iOS installed on your phone for better privacy, better security, and also the phone also operates better and faster normally, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. You want to turn your phone on. And I'd highly recommend either having your phone plugged in, charging, and having at least 40-50% of battery life, or fully charged. And you'll definitely want to be connected to Wi-Fi, because normally these updates, the new version of iOS is usually 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabytes. It ranges somewhere between 1.5 gigs to say 3 gigabytes of data, which is a good size of data. So again, why use your 4G LTE cellular data when you have free unlimited Wi-Fi at home or anywhere else that you can connect to Wi-Fi? Okay. So as you can see, I am connected on Wi-Fi on top, and I am fully charged. Okay. So you want to go to your phone's menu. You want to click on settings, and let me back that up. And from the main menu, from the main settings, you want to click on general. Oops. And you want to click on right on top. Actually, before you do that, you want to click on about to see what software version you have installed right now. And as you can see here, my phone says software version 12.4.1. Okay, so there's the iPhone, there's the model name. This is the iPhone 10XX Max. There's the model number, there's the serial number and whatnot. So what you want to do is you want to go back to general. Now that you notice that you have the older version of iOS, which is 12.4.1, you want to click on software update, and right where it says downloading right here, right over here, normally for you it would have said download and install. It's a blue link. You want to click on download and install, and then it's going to tell you on the top, somewhere like on top of the phone, it would say, do you agree to the new software agreement and privacy laws and whatnot? You want to look down at the bottom of the phone. You want to click I agree on the bottom right, and then it's going to try to calculate how long it's going to take to download and to at least, I believe, only download how many hours it's going to take to download the new iOS software. And again, this will depend on your Wi-Fi speed, of course. And by the way, what it shows here, this shows the new iOS version that's available for this phone, what's actually downloading right now. And as you can see, this is iOS 13.1. It's from Apple. My Wi-Fi is not the best here at home, at least at the current modem with built-in Wi-Fi that I have right now from Netgear. So, but it doesn't matter as long as you have decent Wi-Fi. Of course, the faster internet plan you have at the house, the faster this is going to download. And so the hours of remaining on here on the iPhone 10 that you see will differentiate from one device to another depending on your Wi-Fi speed. So here it tells you iOS 13 introduces a dramatic new look for iPhone with dark mode. Oh, that's nice. New ways to browse and edit photos, and a private new way to sign in to apps and websites with just a tap. iOS 13 is faster and more responsive, with optimizations across the system that improve app launch, reduce app download sizes, and make Face ID even faster. So that sounds pretty good, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. What I would do as well before I let you guys go, see where it says automatic updates, you want to have that on and not off. That way the phone will notify you whenever there's a new update, so you can choose whether to download it and install it right there and then, or you can click on download and install later. Okay, so again, I hope this video was very helpful. Again, this was showing you how to basically update to the latest version of iOS that is available for your current iPhone, whether you have an iPhone 7, iPhone 8, or iPhone 10 or iPhone 11, which is coming out very soon here. So I hope this video helped you out. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please drop me a line below in the comment section, and I'll be more than glad to answer that as soon as I can. And please give me a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate that. and please like my video and subscribe to my channel. That would definitely be appreciated. Other than that, I will see you guys next time. Have an awesome day.